Hi, I'm Danny. Welcome back to the garage. Today, we're going to do some maintenance on a 2022 Toyota Corolla SE. We're going to check the battery and we're going to check the brakes. The brakes may be in a separate video, but I'll link that at the end of the video and in the description. This is my daughter's car, so this car has to be perfect. Let's get started. This car is a 2022. It's 4.5 years old, so it's a good time to check the battery. This is my preferred battery analyzer. It's the BT-705 by FOXWELL. It's easy to use and it's very accurate. Then we're going to hook it up. So it's got 12.3 volts. Let's push enter. It's a 12 volt system. We're going to do a regular test. It's in the vehicle. It's a top post battery. We're going to do a regular battery. It's not AGM or not gel. It's an acid type battery. Cold cranking amps is what the test we're going to do. It's a 360 cold cranking amp battery. That's what I'm set to. And now it's going to test it. So it says replace battery. 12.35 volts, 189 cold cranking amps. And that's how important a good battery analyzer. She was having no problems with the battery whatsoever, but as you could see, she was one start away from being stranded in an unfamiliar place. We're gonna go get her a battery today. Now I've got an OBD2 memory saver hooked up to the DLC. That way it saves her radio stations or any other presets she has. I'll put a link to the video and the memory saver in the description below. Let's get this battery out. Let's disconnect the negative side first. The reason we do the negative side, because if I was doing the positive and I actually touched metal with the wrench, I would be welding and that wouldn't be good. So it's always negative first. If I end up touching metal, it's not a big deal. And from there, this will just pull up. Just kind of move that out of the way. Battery hold down bolt is going to be right there. Let's go ahead and now the whole battery should come out. And it does. Don't hurt your back though. So I ended up going to Walmart and getting the EverStart MAXX, and you guys probably think I'm crazy after the crap I went through last time I went to Walmart and tried to warranty my Civic battery.
To assist you with the return of the battery, but since I'm not privy of the procedure, I will hit to the front end and over there we will do the exchange.
If you haven't seen that video, I'll put a link to that in the description. If you don't watch the whole video, just watch the portion of it that's in the middle of Walmart. That was crazy. But they do have good prices, and they did eventually warranty the battery, and it was a 3-year, it was a replacement, not prorated. So that's why I went with Walmart once more. Now let's go ahead and get our battery hooked up. There's the positive. There's the ground. Let's get our hold down on. And let's just tighten her down. And go ahead and finish tightening it up. Just make sure they're tight, they don't twist. Let's put this back on, and then the cover. Now let's test our new battery. 12 volt system, regular, in vehicle, top post, regular battery, cold cranking amps. So this isn't 360 cold cranking amps like the stock one. This one's 650. So let's bump this all the way up to 650 cold cranking amps. So it's a big upgrade on this car compared to what was in there. The old one started, but this is going to be better. So 12.64, 662 cold cranking amps. Perfect. I'm going to order up the ANCEL BS200 Super Starter for the Corolla. It's just going to make me feel better that my daughter has a little extra starting power. I put one of these in my Honda Element and it really works good. I did a full review video on this and I'll link that in the description. I hope this video was helpful today. I'll put links to the memory saver and the FOXWELL BT-705 in the description below. I'll soon have a storefront, so that'll make it easier for you to purchase products that I suggest. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. I got a lot of great content coming up soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.